Welcome, dear ones. I am Fedrajani, and you're listening to Inner Light, a podcast dedicated to kindle light of meaning into your life. Today, we will continue our journey into the symbolism of animals, and we will explore the symbolism of the horse. Across cultures, myths, and spiritual traditions, the horse has never been viewed as merely an animal. It is a symbol of power, freedom, beauty, passion, and the mysterious force that carries the soul forward in its journey through life. When we think of a horse, we immediately feel movement, because the horse is movement itself. It represents vital energy, the force within us that pushes us forward, helps us overcome obstacles, and gives us the courage to pursue our dreams. But the symbolism of the horse goes much more deeper than strength alone. The horse teaches us about balance. One must find harmony between control and freedom, and this reflects a profound spiritual truth. The horse person often feels two opposing desires. The first is freedom. The wild horse has become one of humanity's universal symbols of the free spirit. Those who resonate with this horse energy often have a deep longing for independence. They dislike feeling trapped, restricted, or confined by rules that suffocate their authentic nature. Yet there is another side to the horse. For thousands of years, horses have worked alongside humanity. They have carried travelers across continents, transported goods, and accompanied warriors into battlefield. Thus, horse energy is also connected to service, dedication, and hard work. The challenge lies in balancing these two forces, the freedom and the responsibility. When a person discovers work that aligns with their true purpose, these opposing energies unite. Work no longer feels like a burden. It becomes an expression of the soul. And the horse then runs willingly because its path reflects its deepest nature. This is why horse energy is closely connected with the heart. Many cultures speak of horses as creatures with great heart, not only physical endurance, but emotional courage. The horse teaches us to give ourselves fully to what we love. Yet every symbol has a shadow. The shadow side of the horse appears when its tremendous energy lacks direction, and likewise human beings sometimes become scattered, impulsive, restless, or unable to follow through their goals. The horse's strength becomes meaningful only when it knows where it is going. Interestingly, horses are among the most emotionally sensitive animals on earth. They mirror what we feel. If we are anxious, they become anxious. If we are calm, they become calm. They teach us that emotions shape our reality far more than we often realize. And so the horse invites us to examine our inner world. What fear causes us to hesitate? What emotional wounds prevent us from moving forward? What hidden beliefs keep us from becoming who we truly are? And to work with this horse energy means learning to master fear without suppressing feeling. It means becoming emotionally aware while remaining grounded. In many traditions, actually, the horse is viewed as a divine messenger, which is quite interesting. A bridge between worlds. The heroic energy is often impossible without the horse. They represent the power of consciousness itself, the ability to travel beyond limitations, the ability to explore unseen worlds, the ability to transcend the ordinary. In this sense, the horse becomes a symbol of spiritual awakening. The horse represents creative power, the life force energy that inspires artists, inventors, visionaries, and when directed wisely, this energy generates beauty, growth, and fulfillment. And speaking of beauty, perhaps this is one of the horse's most enduring qualities, because few animals have inspired artists, poets, and storytellers as profoundly as the horse. Its grace, its elegance, its strength, its nobility. The horse reminds us that power and beauty need not to be opposites, because true beauty often emerges from strength that is balanced by gentleness. In Chinese astrology, the zodiac sign of the horse is the seventh animal of the Chinese zodiac cycle. Those born in the year of the horse are traditionally described as energetic, independent, adventurous, charismatic, and freedom-loving people. They are natural explorers who seek new horizons and new experiences. Again, we encounter the same archetype: movement, freedom, vitality, the eternal journey forward. Perhaps this is the deepest lesson of the horse. Life itself is a journey. The horse teaches us to trust the energy that carries us forward while remaining grounded in our hearts. May the spirit of the horse inspire you to move forward with courage, freedom, and an open heart. Thank you very much for listening to today's episode, my dear ones. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you do like this podcast, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I would be really happy. Take good care of yourself, and I will see you in the next episode.